Hey folks, Trent from IoT Design Shop here with the DexHand. So I finally have the DexHand put together and assembled and under power, and the motor's working and some firmware. So let's fire it up and see what it does. So this sequence is basically a countdown where I just run through the fingers range of motion. And so it counts from 5 to 1 and 1 to 5. Pretty cool. Let's have a closer look at that. Okay, so in terms of next steps, obviously I've got to get a slightly better control system for all this. Right now I just kind of eyeballed it and did the angles on the fingers and stuff with some hard-coded values to make it animate. But this needs to be properly calibrated, and we need a proper control system to be able to set angles and positions and stuff. So I'm going to be working on the software and firmware quite a bit coming up. I'll keep you posted and show you how I make progress against that. But thanks for checking out the DexHand.